kan ede amount wadwenche no nsusue no obetimi de biso so afa en WhatsApp numbers ne so ene ebia text message so de ba ye be kenkan ede amount de ba na de afa 0243 220044 so 0243220044 so na ya kenkan ede amount mede ade nana ya obo ama Libya Borga dwumede me na mede ho echia me memenda no pa bia no nsia mpa mu ekosi se no nkono bebo na ya sorry ama gudie ma konfona ba besom na wono mo atwa so anopa me hwe ni mu se Francis Ado executive member ewo NDC amanyoko nim kwada so abato mpesua so me hwe ne mo so beba be ka me ho na yesi nkunya ewo Ghana ho na Michael Selmel so secretary de ma MPP amanyoko no ewo nhye so abato mpesua so Selmel so me hwe nanim se obeba be ka me ho na yesi nkunya ewo Ghana ho dwumade we brutal bright entry na ahyehya bebia wo bia no ye ba na ye de ababe somo menua ima na ode ye ko social media no so ama bebia wo bia no watimi hwe yen na wasa atie yen asedan koma Sompa newsroom kukua asante ebo Benedict ene akosua somuanum omo enyina tamachi ama bebia wo bia no yaba ne yaba be somo me ama konta o man hire yadubu ache tutu sa ena general manager tofe omunyina tayechi anopai bebia wo bia ne yeba na yaba be somo Ghana Fapem dwumedie eso enie
ye betu mi biara ye fambuwa ye mandana asana yako ye nananu omoye biko enyanwe edrume nusu yansu seye beyebi dia tuasu
abuzianti se oman ni beye ya ejirame no mienu so se oye driver ni we teacher ni oye nsemtwe ni adwuma wo ye bia so oman ni beye ya ejina wo de na oye no na waye ni ye eso ena be mo oman no ayeye nti wala tu wala sa we communal labor ye no pay oye wo de na we susu aye ne de na ono susu aye ne de na ahwese oman na ebekọ animu ebekasima du eme de dwumadie no abawe ya ye be bie telephone lines no na so de wadwenche no nsusue aba 0551 931 0551 931 na 0548 931 otro numbers ne to no bekasima du amadwumadie ne de akwakugu a na so de nsusue no wadwenche aba na yamobonsam so kakra na watwi mu mama ne tua se NPP amanyuku no ahyase ebobo mo ho ekeka ne mesie ne so mbeto aba flag bearer de ama amanyuku no omso munya mie mu de na so amanfo ahyase ekeka wuru mo ho yewra alankojo chematen ebe kumase na watwi mu na obaye no edom ekohia no kumase airport ede ne come nhia himfie na esewani nsese ye ka kire wo ensem sei na alande tudwa kumase mra oba menhia himfie
se yekuwa ye MPP debia yekoto aba broman etayechi na ade a asum yabu menim se ye de ase ye nyina ne etuna ya amamo nanso so kwa mo faso a mo boye chidom debia ko to aba bia wotu se broman ye yekuo no enche na akonya kase eda ekuo no no na esesa adihwe wo ekuo no no yekopre sa akonya no efise 2024 na Ghana fo nyina sa akoto aba ayi de obedi Ghana so na me de tudwa se sa mre no du a na wode hye mapia akonya ni bi na mintimi entrankran enkase sabio me de ato afidie so nti me nana wono nkotie radio ansana watisa asem ti me say me ambaba na nadawoma be dia batu nanim na masra ni nsem hira na waso abompa ama me sabi obi anim say amanyo sem no ya kwantuo kase paibo ne mpanifo eni akira ne kwaden ti de dikan ambanebo se na wada roma wo de hye akonyi abeto no ubamba be kwan na makwa kopribi na media mi gidi se eyisi mame a na wada roma mekai go so man na makai wa so
abusianti we yewra alankojo chrematin yemra naja wo born in pro de nani ekira sante na otoaso ekobuno east eba buno mantem no mo de ekopia hafo na sansemi wode etudwa na emra okọ yewra ho yewra sante hene ho ewo menhia hemfie no yewra ede nsem sei eto yewra alankojo chrematin enim
again America Grand Mission Mono so akoprebie ja mo party for no de ombadwene no ho se etoma de beto ama no ma ye ni yama ade nkoso abrami wa ha empire ba no mebo ama no wa ba minim so onkrofo so pe dodo no hanso beba ye nya hanso beba besere minshira ne empire bossa ojo ne mo nyame ne si hene me nko ne si hene ye mfa ne nyina ama no ame metu ede me wo nyame ne sikadwa ye ho empire bo nam de beta wo chire ne mo Daddy city wono free mon kola brema minim no wanu ntia obia wanu nso ntia obia she mo de oba obetimi ayenko an ya wo se o party fo no ho se ye nyi nipa mada MPP ano mu ye ma nipa na Ghana fo nyina zo adwene ho mo nwene Ghana de ho se de mo pe no party no me sha no kota se on to aso de besie bia bibi na wo so oba na futuo ba wamra na ye ntre no
abusianti we ayemra yewra alankojo chrematin ekopie menhia hemfie na yewra sante hene otumfo se tutu otoso mienu de sansemi eto ne nana no anim se won yo sikadwa ene awrade enu no de hira no se wonko na ne party for no so nka hunu se eye ne Ghana for pe ena wo se wo mo enye ne wo party for no wo mo pe ena wo ye omo nkuntimi ntuaba enyi president na abusuya sabre kro no a na yewra Francis Adeni mususu no enkran na olanche ne campaign se flag bearer adwa no wono so eba be pribi
ye makani nyina ne se 2024 ye beto aba ye be yim na hye bedwafo foforo ebe yi o man panyine foforo enu nti abedru pempenso bi a Ghana fo ni bi kura na bamu abu ama won mutimi de ahomtie kase 2024 de media men to aba adenti a eya bamubuo nanso de manhyesem wa ho ne se eni mfofra onyame a hihya mayen we ye David anu owo esere no so no ono na oba odi sai ni mfofro ne enuti
abusianti yewra Francis Adeni mo kanemra so adwani ano wo mra so agefie ma dese a wo mo ewa santima mpo abato mpesua so ena na sabre kro no a wiki mu no no so elanche ne campaign na ode kira mansan se ono so eba akonya tofie uyiniti na waba be prebinti ode ne nsema tudwa se ono ena amanfo to nani oto o mani eto nani mto monto aba emfa emma no yewra Dr. Nyahota Maklo esoso edintintima MPP amanyuku num sadwumade no okwase wono soso ne dia wode emma MPP for any.
We have come to the rank and file of our party, the New Patriotic Party, to solicit their votes in the leadership race of the party. The contestants are, and they will come with promises, some of which are unrealistic. It is noteworthy at a meeting with the outgoing German ambassador to Ghana at Osu Castle during the first term of office, during the campaign prior to the December 7th, year 20,000 election. He said, the campaign platform promises cannot fulfill when you are in office. Because
Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo Soso NPP Amanyoko no wasonum wode montinti my pa ena yetene kana manfo chese ate onukra no MPP for no instead hu ne se we MPP ni but we can say dia eja party no owompi eto ono soso ne nsem a wode etudwa ewo Ira Francis Adenimo ne campaign launch jumedie no ase enonom na watchi kro no Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia wono soso no na jumedie bi omato de say National Rental Assistance Scheme na opa hontoma ewo enkran pumpuni mantem no mu na ochirechiremu say jumedie no se de ebesia kopa ene emwa edebeboa Ghana for na mobaka ya yebewra 2020 elections no mu no sadie we na ekabosha NPP for edema Ghana for ho eno nti no pa hontoma ema ochechiremu se ne ebesi aye adwuma ediafa.
Rental housing forms an integral part of a well-functioning housing market and plays a critical role in increasing access to affordable housing options, particularly for the youth and low-income groups. As a people-focused government, providing meaningful shelter for our citizens has formed a significant part of this government's development agenda, and measures taken to address problems associated with the housing sector, especially the rental housing sector, have remained vital to our development agenda. When I visited the Rent Control Department in July 2020, I noted the overall importance of the rental housing market in our quest to increase access to housing options.
Obviously, we the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, and yetene kan we amra na wopa dwumadi o matodin se National Rental Assistance scheme hontoma ewo enkrapumpune mantem no mu eno de sansem yetudwa yede to ye ba bedi hunkomo pa ene anopai na mamenko amano so na yenkodi nkomo kakra bi emra sembeka ya mrase wedwani o mrase wedwafie ma adehia o mo North Tonga baton pesua so ono abo Samuel Kugyeto Blaka akwa kokukura sembi one eye yen papa sofo pani Prophet Victor Kusibuatin ema papa na dwuma oye ewo National Cathedral Board no so ene empo ne passport ekuta no Ghana card din ode kokko ye ene emunsem bebrebe ode aba betudwa ema ode akwakoda nshraje se shraje for info mani eni yen papa Victor Kusibuatin echi no mo hwehwemu emfa ema na enra ne yeteye se Papa Kusibuatin akọ court ama tumi krata se o se ye de koma Okudzeto Blakwa se papa no ne private life ene de ne manema bi wo hono mu a Okudzeto Blakwa enyina nchen kra na emra nche no de krata no ekoma Okudzeto Blakwa no nyame anim ni ye so mu chini ya no mu nya no nto mu hu se o te Metro TV so no na o de to ano ho no de command o Metro TV premises na busia join yen na be he Okudzeto Blakwa omo ede sermons no anase court nkrata na menka ne sa no oso mu ano totwene ye no de na butu paper ne to baby na wo prete se wo peti ade ne eto baby ne ebisa se ebasi ya na court esese power asem no ho ye ne lawyer Nana Bafo Egua ekwa kodi nkomo oye senior partner Sakode and Bafo Egua Chimbesa a one cry on. Aye, me kai say and cry me sra lawyer kakra e won office e wa kra. Lawyer Marchen.
Ya me pastor to say.
Erade adom ososo oho te say.
Ya me gusu me mobo.
Yeda erade ase. Lawyer eba ni say ya na emra ne sesei pa se ubidi mi akokoto na ewose yede court nkrata abremie na court nkrata ne beka me nsa no we de TV so edaso anopai ya se no muside krata ne mano wototwene yetietia so de na bo krata ne to baabi no eba sa amra ne sesei
me pacho edi kan mamenchia sabi mamenchia asante man nyina nchia kumasefo nkyia for chadi chamsu for chaudia
Sompa 93.1
na menam asese ma me akwenyen se me churches mu na sabi nyina yesu nsua de say my men free idea your friend no say yeah maybe a kind of service of a court process and I say yeah the court krata ye de brewo no na eno no ye ade bia esumbu ye ewo mremu fi se on se mremu no yaka se onipa bia ni wa obedi na sam ana se obetu anamo bia tia no ise nipa ni nim adekora waye ana se unim de o se ma onye so and unti service is very, very important. Na say ne Fapem pa the Bible na okay in the Garden of Eden no Abra Adam and Eve na sabi omukudi aduabano omudi aduabano na afi yesi friend Nyankopon se aduabano mo ni no madi o se Onyankopon yubia sabi nyina nim se ohun di nipa nyina enhu no enti nankini kwa krase nkoku bisa Adam ni ise die na moye o se oye no se Adam die na moye so obisa no se die na moye na Adam so yina no ansana uyi omaten ana ubua omaten so enti wo mremu so no so the answer ni baby sa said die na waye no I was say ye ma hu ye de gun krata so ye de ayden ye de abrew ana say court bedem be ma edo shibi beto so say menye bibi no sabi ye de gun krata so ye de ayden ye de abrew na eno na ye de fa beli fofo so ye de brewo di beli fofo no de brewa na afi sese ebe kan se wia na court no ebu se afi de oni hu nkita hudie no ahyase na beli fofo no so odi ade beli di ade brewa ne pacho na se wujira o ka se wunsumu a ye wa wasem a beli fo bitimi ato so na wokọ otutu so a no kwa ne dia ne se obekwa akoye nkrata akire se wa serve I don't have to proof of service no the bailiff koye certificate of service and proof of service ewia na se me pacho o ye be ma na o yo ba na so se bi una obo hye te se something ana se wa kukudro te se titiro ma fo a na se wa nkokota court de anamu bi twa so tu bi aro betu utu sa anamu ni wie na se wo se wo be ma unisua what the other site for contempt of court no enti yira onra okucheto abrakwa sa wan so mu eno yo no anasemo court ne dey as far as the court is concerned no ade bi was here to 7 or the 7 awie eno ya dia ibikan so in the service of the process the service of the court order it says more on ya papa ni nua panyi so for the dokusibu atransen dem bi de sabi eno de ano ehu adwuma si
okay
adwuma no asi
okay
so
lawyer
second leg no for the second leg no sabi nyado sabi kronto na yet court process abawo na wodi ato form na wodi aso in front of cameras. In my humble opinion, Sabi, is the height of disrespect in my court. Here, we read the Ghana Constitution. It's Article 125 of the Constitution. Readily, some baby. I bet you will say, Embra yɛdidi asɛm ɛyi nipa atɛn ɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ dea ɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ dea ɛyɛ sɛbi me nua a me ne wo kasa ɛwɔ dea ɛyɛ me nso me dea yɛ nua a wɔte kagyetia ne dea yɛ nua sɛbi ɔte di Kumasi airport runabout ne dea yɛ nua a ɔte Abes Park ne dea yɛ nua sɛbi ɔte Dr. Mensa ne dea yɛ nua a ɔte Ho ne dea saa tumi a judges de te court ɛredi asɛm no ɛyɛ Ghana ni biara dea na yɛn nyinaa yɛntumi nkɔtena court dan mu ni asɛm nti yɛde ne nyinaa ma judiciary sɛ ɔmfa ni asɛm ma yɛn sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a pɛrɛpɛrɛ yɔ bɛyɛ adwuma sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a sɛbi basabasa ɛmmɛ kurom sɛnea ɛyɛ a obi ntwe sika enti ɔmomfa nyɛ adwuma so enti sɛ wo disrespect judiciary na what disrespect Ghana for ɛno na wokugya to wɔahu no ɛyɛ the height of contempt and there's evidence to that enti sɛ wokugya to wɔawe a na sɛ so bɛtɔ nkurɔfoɔ paa ɔmbɛtumi asite no for contempt na ɛno nso ɛho asɛm
court no bɛtumi agyina so ɛde apanese okugye to ablakɔ anaa lɔya
court no bɛtumi because sɛ ɔnsɛ court no ɛbɛtumi atiki the view sɛ saa namontuo no a wotuiɛ no ɛyɛ contemptuous of court hwɛ yɛka contempt of court a yɛwɔ contempt a woyɛ ne court dɛm sɛ adeɛ bi a wobɛyɛ ne court dɛm hɔ a ɛgu court no ho fi ɛna ade anamontuo bi nso a wobɛtu no abɔnten a ɛgu court no ho fi na yana ɛyɛ nipa bi sɛbi ɛyɛ nsɛnkaeɛ pɛ ana bi a wobɛtumi aka ɛgu court no ho fi anamontuo bi wɔ hɔ nso a sɛbi ɛnyɛ ado ɛgu ne court ho fi ayɛ te sɛ sɛbi me nua wowɔ hɔ yi na mede sika ahyɛ wo nsɛm na woato sika no ato fam mepatro ɛyɛ buo sɛ ɛnyɛ buo enti sɛ court nso asoma bailiff sɛ bailiff mmra court asoma bailiff sɛ bailiff mmra na ɔmfa krataa mehyɛ wo nsɛm na wo nsa so krataa no mu na wode krataa no ato fam na woatiatia so a bailiff no ogyina hɔ ma court no bailiff no ogyina hɔ ma registrar no so ate aseɛ registrar no ɔno na yɛ the administrator of the court
okay so Matthias lawyer
ɔno si hɔ ɔno gyina hɔ ma chief justice who is the head administrator of the court the patrol aseɛ na ɔde krataa brɛw na wode ato fam na sɛbi anya ado wo nan si so na wokyinkyim no the patrol ɛnyɛ buo ma court no so ate aseɛ
Matthias lawyer
Suffer Victor Kusibuakin, a lawyer for pa, to be a cited for contempt of court, and also was some more.
Matthias lawyer, na lawyer fire co school kakra no pay. Unso bi ho no mo a o se o court krata no mo bae na me nifie manfa me hye me nsem mo di bejai e bia mo de kotare madwumam mo de kotare me fie. At what point ena nipa no ye beka se court krata no se bia ese mo nso se ye mo agyamo na muni mo brofo mo ke kafa ho. At what point ne beka ne se nipa no o de amount nti o se oba court na obeyi wo ho ano lawyer fa ye fa fa ye ko school kakra e wo sa de we ho cheche mu kakra
3.1 court nwoma ye nwoma bia sabio ye wo bibia ye friend personal service Emrebu yakasa adie bia personal service ehia no. Or say o serve ni pano personally. Emrebu sani yakano. Uta say any court process, right, which personal service required, the person must be served personally. Indeed, you will see I can say unless personal service is effected, the jurisdiction of the court is not invoked. So, then ye pacho. Ye pacho you say, ati bia personal service here biano. A court ashe focus in some in krata no. And I say, order krata kota ye order no. Nipa na sebi, ye sepa koma no. Se nipa no na esa wa yede, o de koma no. So, inti, se wo, ye de brewa, uye bema, uye kase unsum. Satufo, ye baby flu here, ne se obeko, na wode kakoshi se krata aso se, aso me si ma seve no. Baby flu krabi tumi atoato so no oko. Opa, bitumi okwa, enu aso wade akoye te se, ma seve no, enu ano no. So, etosu mienu, se baby flu, se oko, na se oba ufie, no beshisho, na we nyawa. Obeko akoye adie bi a yefre no, non-service, obeko akofill a certificate, a certificate of non-service. Inti lawyer ni no wako apply say, yen say no by substitution. Na sa by substitution no, it be a court with me my order. Say yen family bull fee, and I yen farm court, but a friend say, would you mem on court or home crime. I thought it be a court to make say, yen publishing a newspaper mu, the publishing a newspaper more, that's a sabity word, sir. So what I said, court or crime the grace wa, or because a yen substituted service. So yes, sir, you are marked within a nutty nephuabia to home. The son nephuan swan. Sabi, young yellow son nephuano. The son nephuan so pet the quarter jatum say. If I say a survey will send me or no quarter no car in Tino. Even though your farmer showing some name what you could say, one of Fabians say, your servant. What I said.
Matias lawyer na se ohwe okujeto video ya ye hwe no we TV su sisi ya krata no kra no mode man no oso mu ano totwene yo eno de na bottle ba bi na otu ni ka akoye nti e basa paper no e da form amfa ye bendai paper na e da wa mansu abo no
court ni de wo mbre mu no ya serve no wache na ade to form ya serve e choice a wo make here so Etusha ukujeto na mse na lawyer for eturofo. Etusha entra who send out people on social media. They post to be a person say sebi on also they are coming na lawyer for na omdu 200 more. That's what I say.
Matias lawyer.
Enti onu anka semse na lawyer for eturofo duafu abie na oye ye no. Sebi wo hu say he bail for the year service.
3.1.
So, what say a service? Na, well, we will have bail pepper the fee, maybe our attack bailiff. Baby for now would decide the semi. A yet court on a house, to me, Kurano, Ukuragana to me. So, I thought a beer at the court will simply grow. Opening, I say be a criminal matter. Oh, court now, Papa could do court, not judge or Cassano, no one three. Openly, that could, and the governor, if she was a pair, the hunk of goons up near the walk or meeting the judgment the years before. Won't be your shape.
Okay.
Because Ghana number 2 no, to be Ghana for their shower monster. So what I say, Omuna, you can't omokasi impuna, their punu. Indeed, babies. Eti ade ebrewa jene boko eni die ni buomu onu ni asem oye somafo so ntu tia na de akoma wo lawyer so atiase
Matias lawyer
tuku anamo eni sa ubitumi aye ni akota asemu enkofu bibiri omoya amasebi ye di asem wie amomo difo abra na omuni omuhu ya na ebeton omudan omuhu ya na sebi court to the Nkrata Haba, you have a tone or car, and now much up at the and now you have the court at Amiako for Musica and bank accounts. So, I feel the mobile court, I see I'm saving you. Ubekwana bail if you proof of service at all. A bassa, Ocasian Serva, and Brand say, court should have a little what we call a mini track to establish it, say, yes, survey. So,
Matias
service a yadibia, a sumbo in ye. The bailiff na baby Canada came. Bailiff no was a certificate of service and proof of service, you know. Bailiff ko be serve on ochuni dingu so in bailiff ko. If you might be another came, the catch or be the dance ya catcher will say, as soon as you make a survey, you know, and we do hold a set or torture form. Who say court be whom court in whom is why ye near more so
that's it. Yeah, that's a pa. Yo, Yaminsha wene why the kitty and open Yaminsha be any so ebesa ba unche bio. Yeah, that's it. Abzafo way a lawyer Nana Bafo ewa where senior partner was sakode and Bafo ewa chimbesa a war and cranty. Say oh joining a war your social media no so Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM and a YouTube Sompa TV Ghana. Sompa TV okujetu na utunika na Conway yenuano Metro TV omo premises a ewo enkra sam na mu de ye no eni tumi eni ahoden betimi akomu nemum enfiafia ho no na yedi ho enkomo kakra omo ede krata na se okujetu nsem na afi okujetu totwene ye na ode na bottle baby na otena ne kemu etu ka no pen baby fire na eda ye TV ne so no abusia Ghana Fapem dwumadie na wasugusu a otie no mama ye betumi biara ye fambuwa ye mandana asana yako abusia ye guso Ghana Fapem dwumadie na wasugusu a otie no na mame kwa ma no so na yane Honorable Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa ne lawyer Edwiji Tamaklo enkudin komo kakra enran yete se omo de court sermons akwa mano de court nkrata akwa mano na ekudru ye no ogiye na ohwe video a ye de ye hwe no a otoye na ope baby de totwene ye na eja otunika ekwani bisa se ebasa emra no hese say yene lawyer enin komo lawyer good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Erade adomi ho ye na so
Ogwa dia da romo ho ye ba.
Ye de erade ase. Lawyer krata no onsaka because amanfo ebusa se krata yi okuje to ja no ho ene okoye. Onsaka oye lawyer de ma honorable yi.
Okay, so once again, me share with you as we speak, no crying social media na me hu a video na me hu your friend an interim order me hu social media. But what I do know is my client or a law-abiding citizen. So whatever the law requires him to do, I'm confident you comply with the due process of the law. Like I say, have not had any instruction from him yet. Some instruction properly. I'm sure that we can have a very good conversation. Yes.
Okay. Lawyer na we there Okujeto Ablakwa ni page wo Facebook na watch say I have instructed my lawyers to act on Reverend Kusibuatin's injunction against me. And also on country mo say munye bibia on his behalf.
No, sir, he has other team of lawyers. As you are aware, me ebuano in the Senate Suraj Matano.
Okay.
Which is quite different from this matter altogether.
Okay.
That's what I say. It's a very fresh action. We always say by way of strategy, maybe another person should concentrate on this one, another person should concentrate on this. Let's see how the coming week will look like. So, I say injunction application was served on him, and the interim order was granted somewhere February, and it has 10 days expiration period. In Tibia, before the 10th day, one would say there is also a motion for interlocutory injunction, which is on notice. So it means that one will be contested in the courts. So we wait to see how it goes.
Yo, lawyer mame na wase na anopedi enka na no reshuffle ye course of parliament yi. Unua lawyer ayeni say legally niema bi wo hono ma nkoye nti eno kra na court a party ni mpanimfo edifo minimara say odi wani decide na chi a say kobase bia any of your party members decide say omo ebi omo take party leadership on wo court wa ebe onwa.
Okay, so like we a different matter. Size yen kan law you can politics answer.
I lawyer.
Political rules near different from the legal rules.
And yeah, no correct.
Okay, so the Akoban said when we say me and Dr. Yeni partners in the same law firm.
Okay.
Into Akwemi senior partner.
Okay.
Na Bauza Manyoku NDC, so I say Democratic Political Party. In fact, the D in the middle of NDC a Democratic. Into there are certain principles governing democratic governance. For instance, consultation, majority decision. When consensus fails, you have to put it to a vote. Who can take a decision in the party? The FEC, the NEC, among other things. A Kobazi decision is taken, and it's not taken by any of these organs of the party. It may create some legal uncertainty. And so in those circumstances, I'm not sure will be a comfortable thing. Now the other things services America say the Council of Elders of the party have taken up the issue. And I'm aware there have been a series of meetings with the parliamentary members with the MPs.
Yes.
The National Chairman, General Secretary, and other people involved in this whole issue. And so I'm very confident at the end of the day, the wisdom of the elders of the party will prevail and the right thing will be done. Again, let me state at this critical moment, Ghana the economy, look, almost everything is down. The least you want is for the opposition to become a distraction. People are looking for a quick way out of this mess. So I want to believe the elders, party leaders, parliamentary leadership will be guided by this overall desire by the people of this country for solutions to the problems confronting this country.
Okay.
So I'm hopeful some good solution will come. Yeah.
Yo. Lawyer, Yamin Shawa no pay. Yamin Shawa pa.
So enjoy your weekend, sir.
Thank you. Azafonti lawyer Edward Tamaklo ena yenena kwakodi enkomono nti se ohwe ye screen si so a ena na lawyer echichiri yemu no se ohwe ni mu se ne client honorable Samuel Okudjeto Ablakwa ebe instruct wo no no wa kire wo ne wo se wo mo edema no ne mum oka kire nse ne client honorable Samuel Okudjeto Ablakwa law abiding citizen a omuga na mraso na ombehwe se ne court na kabia se omoye bia no omobeye ne court no ekaye and say on stay away from Prophet Kusibuatin, Victor Kusibuatin, ne private life ni adiade o Ghana man ejumebia. Ghana man ejumebia. Na bia aka say okuta political appointment bi ntino o kwakọ hwehwe ni niam mti po ba bi tena na ja asem no amode akwakọ dan shirage no monkoka ho asem ho no na ya omode ho nkrata kwakọ Okudjeto Ablakwa ubututu baby a wampe wasem enfi no na abusiafo na watchi na meka enkomo bi kireo se National Rental assistant scheme wa vice president ekubia eko elanche ye na Works and Housing Minister Francis Asensubuachi Bantma Asensubuachi ekasa wase.
Standard of decent accommodation cannot be overemphasized. Currently, there is no mechanism by which eligible households, including the youth, can be supported to access decent rental accommodation and to effectively protect them from undue exploitation. For this reason, Nana Chairman, it has become imperative to address the short to medium-term market failures in the rental segment of the housing market, where landlords demand 2 or more years rent advance, and also streamline the processes for accessing rental accommodation for lower-income households towards the improvement of the quality of rental accommodation in our country. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as the sector ministry in charge of housing, we are committed to gradually addressing the various challenges that confront the housing sector in the country, and the National Rental Assistance Scheme is one of such vehicles with which we can adequately respond to the challenges through public policy making and program development. Government has
I was going to wear Francis Asenso Boache. Woye mraswe dwani owo mraswe gefie ma desia wo mo bantma abaton pesia so ono akro na asaso ye minister Works and Housing and na dwumadi na se no na obobo nsem so kakra ede kire no na busia na wotwe mu soso no nkomo bi e baaye eye adutwum honorable Dr. Oseya Wadutwum education minister so ahwa enkola na bie school womo ewo school mu form 1 for ya womo be call secondary school no computer na ba be start ya toto wonum ede womo akọ ho ne ade enum na ne aba ne say textbooks ashoto textbooks e wo so mo de chen kwala na de no enkonkonkudrui ema ho nsema ye pi na wotwi honorable Dr. Oseya Wadutwum e kasa de fa ho kakra e mo chichiri mu ne nti akobasa
core textbooks, and I think the 5th one has also been procured. You see, the tenets there. See, it is a different approach. In the past, we have no focus on one-to-one curriculum procurement. So invariably, you're going to have 2 students sharing a book. We decided that it should rather be one-to-one. So it takes more effort to do one-to-one textbook deployment. But the books went in 2022, so don't add the 1 year for me. The interesting thing about this is that we as a country, unlike other countries, decided that we allow the private sector to develop the textbooks. So we want to allow the private sector. See, let me tell you this. In the old system where the ministry had writers, right? And they're writing to set a shorter period of time to get textbooks in all classrooms. In terms of the speed, but I also have a philosophical understanding that was developed over the years that the private sector should be allowed to develop in the book industry. That is not to say that this could not have been done faster. So I can see.
I was going to wear a bosom chimera so Jenny or Sasso, a minister or show my Ghana Ngomesia Hunsen some so Dr. Oseya Wadutwum and yeten and Kanwa no so a church and yentia ye textbooks no a delay kakra. Now what you soon come back my main country. Honorable Ignatius Bafua. Now what you dear o Magana for MC Wunum. Because I'm for Pino a call on President and another Danko Kufaro say, the minister Senate Dawson, Ghana, you see a hochiri, ye call IMF a Kwaku Pisca, and the Ababe home may. Now, who's a Kwapao, ministers in Bicahon say, Ningana say, Honorable Ignatius Bafua, where Minister for Employment and Labor Relations, at the Koto Public Accounts Committee for any member, or my friend saying, President Amanekrat every Monday, no, say I, only Minister for Pensions. And I'm saying, hey, another ministry view. Obi ase ade no wante so na o chese wasa akwa tibidi aka ho no na ema nchirimo chirei nchiremu ebaba ya so there be enya another ministry nemum National Pensions and Regulatory Authority was a commission no omo yifri na tena ye e de koma finance ministry no e na senate no ne ade ade nyina no omo yifri ho no mo e de koma finance ministry no nemum omo je asa de akwa koma ne bio so hu na je say pensions no watenani ahwe ama etimi edimu na asafata na eno na bia owura no wante ase a ode sansem na ekotudwa na busuya yenkoi na Ignatius Bafu awua se ni usika ne nsem efaye emra osia a public accounts committee no yenko ne yentie no.
Honorable Chair, with your permission, I want to read a letter I received from the presidency dated 30th January 2023. Designation as minister responsible for pensions. Pursuant to Section 211 of the National Pensions Act 2008, Act 766 as amended, I hereby designate you as the minister responsible for pensions with immediate effect, which means you will be responsible for the National Pensions Regulatory Authority, NPRA, and the Social Security and National Insurance Trust, SNIT. I take this opportunity to congratulate you formally on your designation. It is my hope that you carry out the duties imposed on you under Act 766 diligently and that you will oversee the successful implementation of its provisions. Yours sincerely, signed, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and addressed to Honorable Ignatius Bafu Awua, MP, Minister for Employment and Labour Relations, Accra.
I was going to weigh Honorable Ignatius Bafu Awua, or MP for Sunyani West, Sunyani West, yes, MP for Sunyani West. Mekai se na no obeye ne maame ba kwa yi ewo eye Kumase Fumesa Fumesa ho obeye ne maame ba kwa yi ho no mo a eje kokokoja no na Honorable na wochi eja kakro de betu mu amanfo MC wo mu eno no James Kluche Afeji esoso na Public Accounts Committee no wote so se eye titireni Honorable James Kluche Aveji ono enete Public Accounts Committee ne so se titireni chairman one so no edin same say etudwa.
So he said they backdated the receipts. He spoke the truth. Yes. So that tells you how the system works. You see, something that happened in 2019, for which the audit was done in 2020. Now, the receipts was written on 1st February 2023, backdated. And that receipts, if you trace it to the records of that company or enterprise, you will get it.
I was here, Honorable James Kluche Aveji na yetene nkanwa Public Accounts Committee no one yeti treni dano but na what you so no yentimi nkwa wa bra NPP neck no meeting e course ye piepie mo edebaye lawyer Justin Kodua Frimpong General Secretary edema NPP amanyuku no okasai emra neck ne kokosiaye no mo entimi amopo o mantimensi ginaye efa date kura MPP party no ejiatum no mo akwakoto aba akwakoi flag bearer ede amamanyuku no ene omwa MP so mbegina ede ama party no candidates ne aspirants ombegina de ama party no constituencies ahodo so eno omantimensi gina ye ebi chese nka party no afia abrosoa August September de no mo atoaba na afri ho no mo ena ye ntete chese presidency fee said there be a basa mwa into omfan next year eno na ntiase anya adwuma ene MPs ne chese omo pe early congress national executives ne chese omo so omo pe early congress and a presidency chese there be a basa mwa ne ye ba benya two leaders a omo be lead MPP no emwa parliament isu so na anwe ne si me am so na mkache am se me pam kenufriata mampam no basa na yes a mafia ya bem na Justin Kodua Frimpong a oye general secretary edema NPP emra neck ye omo meeting wie no ensem say no de to ye nim.
So he said they backdated the receipts. He spoke the truth.
National Executive Committee, National Council, I now you have to do the consensus. Say, yeah, date here by everyone, employee data, by sleeping in but the data we share majority of the party in the say we should be a party and elections and then for say party partners, yeah, my own timelines and then on my SCA now professor no Mukasa, the say concession, maybe I say compromise, and then on my SCA. There are about 2 major elections. More big almost so big, I'm not sure and then more union say back constitution of our penalty. You about regional so once that means who opposition normal so on my set to normal I'm gonna finish and now since I use our elections and then in 2024 yeah, no, you're shedding you now. Private fortune, you better to you know, my yeah, I'm a mona, yes, and the end is and after the lessons that day, and also and so that kind of I can't was no my essay, 2 years.
Yeah, better me, Biara. Yeah, Famboa, yeah, man, Ghana.
I was going to wear a general at the NPP Amanyukuno, lawyer Justin Kodia from Pon, and at Yetin and Karaman for friend JFK, and at Yetin and Kanunti neck meeting noir, a course on one, yet the idea Sokoto to form no MPs led by Honorable Oseche Mensa Bunsu. Party normally can see a party in pending for a day before next meeting at the two Justin Kodia from Ponim and then national chairman say catch ye catch them ye pe early congress in the day obi beti obi na so enti ye calling them na ye dear what them bowe we are ya hwesi ansana elections in ebekwa yakọ enti omi enkoto aba ntem na ya party in pending for say you enti led by chairman Sabos and MPs no edu omonsem kotuja but near so ya tete MPs ne kan ye no as a national executives no omososo no omo fili sa early congress esem no omo fili into no omososo no chese omo ekutam bi and a presidency fi said bi ye call this time one na say yaba benya 2 leaders a president mu ase amanfo je da anya yi papa njo se bi a president ye bibi no ofre MPs no any government appointees na obi ama o no mdo omunyina ekwa kodi flag bearer na chi because ye da chi hene a ho na adidie bewo nti wo de wadi wo de awie ko ne enkodi ba ko na chi nti basa ahwe e be distract ya mamuo no ne ene ma pi na presidency fi se debi we de faso a enye yi but etwaso komo no etwaso na enkomo ya ene na no bribu ahia won de wayi nanim se or campaign diama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Abronye yene didi nkomo no che say on de yemfa bibia nto nchen because asem no na akwete say Alan Camp ene epusi say omonko early congress na akwete say omo say Alan Camp ene epusi Alan Chematin ene ne dom na epusi say omonko to ba ne ntem na omunya da jemfa nye campaign na yantisi so che say Alan Camp nko Honorable Kennedy Japan so camp if you said there be I don't know see a turn in Tamoa a bebo woman abomanya bre at the campaign and Vice President so camp fi said there be I don't know see a turn in Tamoa a bebo I am yet to manya bre I campaign ya tiesi ma ye juma na fi ye de akwakọ pre enkunimdie na no bribo ahin edin same say eto ye nim
MPP constitution now mo ye say wo mo beto abai flag bearer issue afiba ko abeto aba na beto abai flag bearer then in 2007 people doing so any general anti tom MPP edi intro in 2008 no they examined nyama probable causes bia ma omudincho and it turned out many panodos no nti MPP for ya adwene say efri neko say nipa no se nipa no bro nwa ya be special congress na yatis now since then no I'm so sure that enya bibisa because this omanya kra me sure dan kaisa so this time around the possibility is omo binya nipa no more adabrunu nti sa adabrunu dia na se buko gina said no constitution no kan so say afe na ebe dia na che say obedan wetin ni pan so
I was going to way aye na no bribo ahe send ye medi kan de to manim no ono de wayi nanim say oye campaign e de ama vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and watch say ofi say somo ekọ early congress no a ebeboa since o metwentwen so a e de akora next year 2024 no mo ebekọ sa congress na basa ye betia we kro kakra beba ne ade o se emiemia na ewu nti this year ne de se nkomo kwa a wa ye betia na so bi ekro betu bia no ma hwe no mo emia firi ho no mama enti ase aye adwuma na sa nkomo we ya ma me nkwa o so na me ne lawyer yawo Boaben Asamoah enkodi enkomo yera Alanko Joche Maten ne campaign team wodi muntintimai pa ama me kai semra honorable anase yem papa Alankash ba kumase no wona ye chiame ma me kan sa chiame ma chen lawyer good morning. Hello lawyer. Producer Hema Mena say lawyer Bettemenka na ye dinkomo no lawyer Bettemenka lawyer Boaben Asamoah edintintiman ewo yewura Alanko Joche Maten ne campaign mo lawyer good morning.
We need to mobilize our people and get
lawyer good morning. Hello lawyer. Lawyer good morning. Any lawyer nin komo na dwene mra ha sei odi nkomo bi wachiri na dwene emra ha sei na yeni enkomo no enche na mabegafo me ma wodum akwa na yedi nkomo Francis Ado an executive member of the NDC kwada so abato mpesua so communication team wodi muntintimai omo na campaign message nketea na communication team no wodi munti my because he share on cry just say di yo nkrofo ya djuma bedi nkomo and Michael Esel Mills so church of Penny the man PP secretary inshaye so abaton peso yaso Esel Mills so me hwenanim sano pay obejoine na yedi enkomo kakra afidie so mame hwe mo messages ne kakra Joe Brain mame ko Facebook no so ko kresi no so hwe live free akokwa mo o say ne appeal to Ghanaians and say when no man tie former president John Dramani Mahama ne NDC for o say omutie na oyeboa ema NPP amanyuku no ne aban no etumpon o say nchia enkoma ne wife Dora yo ko kresi mate Hernandez Fidel Hayford or say good morning host what the free Tadi Kwesimintim or say Oka break the 8 na wanfa Dr. Akuto the Greek minister memoir na masa break the 8 no na onkan bia ni and or say good morning yaboma good morning odache hene opon kodwopon of free bampana say na ebaye na Berma Dro or nyina hini wase wo hwen life efri nyina hini yeda se ma me hwe se lawyer Yaboaben Asamoah Bettemenka se lawyer good morning.
Yeah.
Lawyer me gidi se mpom ye
Yankopando me ho ye pa
yeda erade ase lawyer no pay ye di nkomo bi mo party neck ekokosia na ye ginesie se wo yebenya data party ne de beto aba ayi flag bearer ne eye omombe kuta party ne mu ewo mpesua hodo so wo mokoye na antentam but nipa binum fi se baby a party na ba be gina sese no omoko early congress ya se ne ya te se MPC ni nyina on block almost support early congress and a national executives no sana ye tete so no aso mo ya support early congress no and name pedinfo binum a all party no mo ya support na mom the presidency na kwako gina se da bi ye kono sabre ye moa ye benya two leaders of the party na flag bearer nam ha na president so nam ha why na dom na kwako di na chi nti ama akwakoye bibibi besipani kuni ahan sana meka no lawyer ya te se yera Alanche Maten and the campaign team support early congress decision no sana tie
minche what for adopay na minka se free Something for more CC Kunumu and some steering committee, National Executive Committee, and National Council. Ubia to be Chena General. Sa Swami and saying, Ukumwa, presidency war, parliamentary leadership war, and a party war. Some Musa Konisho, indeed, Ubia, Ukunman and Udrumbiano, only saying National Executive Committee, only National Executive Committee or National Council. And almost every king assassin, said it Tibia, a bit. As I said, a few penaka, the beef penny pan or the anymore. A year sempa, she the penny pan in them. A president Tamwa, a me, and in the president that's Nancy. Now, yes, she, the year who catch a gun for. Sebeya, a bit me break it. The president to me, and one Tiaman I effect. Nemono say bad, friend me no pay ya. Or how can she or what say? In this saying, a year aspirants, and it has one said, it couldn't go transit in your share and son it me a quapo. He couldn't paint me, she says, in a dear. No, so much dream my quapo. If he said, Parabisono, couldn't now open a dear anymore. And you couldn't also to me, or when she said, and I dream you couldn't say, yes, she said that. Never to abandon the in Smith. As I said, what is him now? I nomination. That's why you win a bread. Sad it in the banana. Time one, it be soon delegated in for an air. Indeed, yet a band and one. Okay, say almost so many children swap. Anyone brand, as he said, woman, the yen. Yet is here, we are tears, yes, dear bottle. It's a thanks for me here. Hat is one, he has said, almost here,
na yes lawyer o kama Matias ya ewomsa party ne ma kwan se monye campaign de but o Matias ya se na mo brand ntino mo de mo simu amoye campaign
and American say me say no kran se kwan bi party libya atwa sense other than main class a campaign na wo yi say there party one intimi share that no tiri party na twi atumbo ontimi nka se menye campaign and so campaign na ye no obi o tin chen na ne edin wo party fruit ya that na wo ye campaign ono na wo se tia se we are doing and you know means inti o se campaign shati and you know die and na a head be o say ye kui party an safi no bu ni gusu dia boni bia ni bo ye campaign o mutumi ni sho mo nsa so be date no nye die be na ebe mo ma ye nya na ti aye na afiri ho ye nya ntemu Nintendo abantemwa bia always October and the some kase ombe December sebi u be ready ko si ho na how no ne se obi make se ye campaign na omun ka se ye campaign and one how se basa dia be happy ya dia tum se date ni mai se ko no se tum se o ye campaign kan it mi ya ebe bu ku man ka se ebe bu nyina na asumdue aba
it's a lawyer formally no more the dying party in pen for say say munyan si gina ye breko e beto abane de but yen de yen alan team de ye campaign say be ya enko yo ma de foforo so mo kote se bia mo yes ade no formally mo inform yo mo
enye alan team kwa enye ne o si inform mo me o so no mo jam na storm can be obi ye campaign omo mo pe nyina ye campaign nya alan team kwa na ye enti akoya DB one she cry no to me who kind so the kuna nkasante ma na ite omu kan to me so nti o se kunu atijina no kasa ebere adu no se kunu kasa fasa de no anya sa de kwa yese de wo to me bi so to me yidi to me na se untimi nkasa omu pedi na obi ya kare eni se de shi obi ade simo ye kampe obi ade ne kwan ye no ala ndie no de boach se de na meka se ne ma miensa edikai ekenya ekrum ye koyi ye hunse se MPP entity se de na bidin person se u ba the economy do the MP and ala mpia odon wo heba MPP dollar se e wo ho eto so mienu Ekuma no so no Kenya woman ezombiti Kenya woman esumiensa emomufu de ekoso everything anangojan na so kasa baby obeko bia no nsem na okika no efa ban hye ho ene fa kwan e so a ebitimi atra de tree yetini akọ 20 debriki 8 o kan GTP no wasem o kan me fo asem o kan bie aban no eya ebebo am yakoye ni eno so ekenyai ekuma no nti de kan me se eye almost be a masedi se o betudi se dasi ni beto aba no munyantu di ye nyina fa ntra fa ko se ye twen sada no ye adwuma
yo lawyer yedase yedi nyame jamo nyame nka mo ho why
amen
yo yedase pa yedase abja for we lawyer ya bobia samwan lawyer ya bobia samwana yene ne kokodi nkomo ni nyina nei early congress and as me enko early congress na ehonsem no Justin Kodia Frimpong church for penny de my party no
MPP constitution now me say
National Executive Committee, National Council, I now you have to do the consensus. Say, data the by everyone and data by sleep be but data we share majority of the party now in say we share be a party no and the elections and then 2024 say party for yeah my own timelines and no my say
Abusia ye guso Ghana Fapem dwumadie so enie na ye guso a ye twatwa adwene didi nkomo a ne nyina gina NPP amanyuku no ene early congress ya nipa binom esusuo se wose party ne ko na omunya kwan eye campaign na se bia obiti obi na so na ekurokura akokotu no a omotima mie kuro na manawu ama omotimi atiasimu a enkofa menase pobi ama na yankwa omano so yate se MPC ni nyina epushi for early congress yene subin mrasibe dwane honorable Eugene Boache entwi enkodi nkomo honorable official po
thank you me chair with you for nyina chair you mo no mo ye adwuma ni nyina so anope
honorable ye jewso edwase no adaje a wanya edi amaye honorable nkomo ayedie mo party mu congress osamoko na mode ekoyi flag bearer ema manyuku no na enumu oni ate se mu members of parliament ne de mode to mu leader nim se ye mo pe ene se early congress abroso a August September ede Sanebe November ode na nka moyi ede afro na nka matuma ba no no cresa honorable
me sacha with you for be no cre it's kuma ye be die nyina me be se the Fapem no the constitution of the party.
Okay.
Man is na de me obi e ka bia na dwenchere.
Okay.
Constitution so na exebe ye nyina party nyina ehia dia tum se ye di bu na say ye de government ye Yamanyuku New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
Ye di kan December I think 22nd over the sign you share a national executive committee national council share about data the parliamentary and presidential primaries because what's a constitution more a quite fast parliamentary candidates are very clear or say I say a bohon de rule I finish for 18 months Senator to general election. Which I said to 2015, it is super to a primaries no June. Which I say any to general election no December 20 to a primaries June 13, 2015. Any to general election no 7 December 2016. I say 18 months.
Okay.
What I say.
Okay.
Now I better say constitution is a party no say parliamentary candidates you at least a fair that's 12 months and sana the general election 12 months now, it is 6th of December 2023. Uchi.
Meet you, lawyer.
Now, sa portion one many lawyer pacho.
Honorable.
For the avoidance of doubt, say be 2020 COVID by. So what I say, the friend force majeure. Don't mean your own way. You know the who can say don't mean to abana intercession. That time was a pandemic. Will be a GMP. Will be a face man one. You know about a electoral area to the kaya.
The kaipa.
The beer one a now parliament so parliamentary caucus no NDC MPP. The do date come party and say time when you to abana ebe boy. Go time when the parliament area you need to be a why. So what I say. Say Kadabia Parliament you resume January. This time in Manco, Quebec, Ebenada. The choir, President Robert address nation. Address nation, we obey 4 bills. We are rising 31st March. Near Wakudi Easter. You could be Easter, I shall not you near Samba.
Okay.
Someone could see July. End of July. July, no. If March, April, I could see July, no. Maybe at that time, Finance Minister Crow won a day, ABI or the media review back and near Rebano. You really hear the electoral commission for so day or more a constitutional instrument to be back for continuous registration.
Okay.
Grandma win a while.
Okay.
You rise end of July, August, September, you will feel Uti. You go back October, you back Commonwealth. Parliamentary conference or Ghana. All MPs or more Commonwealth in Ghana. I know the answer now, in every year or so. You see November, December, your budget. Would you have about 2 billion because your budget? And let's say, in here, a buying me here party. Because the moment I become so trouble December, we'll be able to conference of your judgment. Hopefully, Pana Oma. The thing in a class she say time part that why you be a parliament and as I bind with you the very saying August and September.
Okay.
Say so finance minister in full savings bonds one when you was schedule haircut Tokyo Joe name it into the say schedule mine. Yet we can say about 2 elections, Makuma 9 in 1 year. They come now an inch. They say presidential hopefuls.
No credit.
You know, as a party, no, Ecosia, no more, no, you don't want to almost Ghana for the common central delegates. They were Thomas Soba, the back. Any election back on no. Sa election, I make once in. You are dealing with a special category of delegates.
Okay.
So be saying, I am me and I'm a chairman, Honorable Michael Dusu one ever to be special delegates now. Okay. To be. What I say?
Matthias,
we are. You depend now. Some delegates are waiting in our becoming a chairman. I'm the next planter of the party. Any election back on. Election number 2. I may all fan constituencies now. Say as one say a dra no one. And also, I say, so to Sabbath. Now, you know, the third one, a presidential candidate election proper. Not for election, yes, sir. The fourth one, by the sitting MP, say, yeah, no, I will be all could be on, could be also say to about. If you hear more, you election Marco 9. Finance Minister saw me at a schedule. Go see case I've made trains in Okrano. Or since you only was almost anchor because of IMF program secretary. I Gusua, ye can't once individual bondholders, a corporate bond, you can't once. That's how feedback on an over trouble Marco 9. Indeed, young come na abanini is for delegates and abana carrying into the same day or the same register, the same issue for other Soniatu. Ni about to in free home. Now, you wrap October, don't you come out parliamentary conference in the they go back to parliament, they require budget. Who soon could do now, soon board here. won't be say I abandoned the one in here. Now, empty somebody grab a man on the here. You have to balance the team.
No, correct.
The most important thing, and they say, the president, Nana Danko Kufuado, Uncle election behavior. Uncle election behavior. Let's show back on we. The time, no, the social party back with the from. I'm not a big people here. But the mere should be very fat to him. In 2015, it's a sad, honorable and because saying, "Go no come through." Then depending on by calling then I said, "The men am person on person with you when you cause her 2016 against him." The trouble we you know. Na I say be simulated. We all know why and we free na Ghana. We was say why.
No correct.
They started the campaign. The trouble man 13 June. 2015 November me call ya buche ko jima by November I'm starting the campaign. The election for 1 year. Me a campaign for 1 year.
For 1 year.
So as a stand, I think that kind of should be best electoral results in terms of parliamentary and presidential. When we do rap to could be and the portray any amount for we get home. But I said 2020, yeah, COVID by yeah, one by 8 from them. It was so sad.
Okay.
It will come between Temoa and Bois. In August and September. The church in Chaining United, Makata Suna, the independent say in the running mate. 2024 is similar. Running mate somehow, not for the can be Sunama. For the Mahama, Nels year 2008, you lose election because 2008, no, you even not at Danko Kufuado. That will lay gone between 17th to the 19th of December. That time, I'm not any polling agent. It will be Kaipa. The trouble in the year, the flow with the Bruja. Uti.
Mitipa.
Nibo, no. Nanado, Enkoyi, the running mate, no. It take 3 to 4 months. We go away by before CMP, go away, and some eventually yes settle on Dr. Mamadou Baumia. The idea about me also 2 million the coach national council no. And then make we then say Sunday call conference. I was make that second day. That was around August of 2008. So will be a collection in December. I said Dr. Biamo, I coach said. If you say the time partner, they say call for me a human. That time because I'm a minor fact at Amos Rafa. At Amos, a fact as greater Garden Central region, or quite no better cry. So, the hot of any you must do so. I'm waiting. Until some be painty. And I'm paying for there be August, December, 4 months. September and December, 3 months. You need it, no, ya between and Tinsimontem because Ushemua Ghana ha MPP Marcella making. In fact, candidate Bianco election and winning first attempt that. When then go for a company, 96, 2000 Ghana for a man. Now, then go for a compressor, 2008, 2012, 2016, Ghana for a man. So what I say, Nina because time now is a part of the saying now. The Nina acquired them, they're independent chase from the independence one. And why quite the answer.
Okay.
The new Tina, that chance I didn't want quite to say. Say a bayer, anybody with my case won't tell me. Not pinche be a free party. What about to be a pinche? About to be a pinche. Yes, but what we Emma will be after the one said that. Here they are, will be there, and when I say, and I will tell me, I will tell me, side, sound no more will rent, you know. And then she had the young August September, you feel. Now, the panel, you know, intimate more boy, depending in a hand, in a running mate before the new year, 2024. No one to intimate a campaign. We have any difficulty apart from say be ulterior motive, and that will be your personal interest. And the country to about way because all the evidence it is I and MPs no the two about no more lusua or more madam ho and you know credible will catch your true for Parliament will be a friend hazard will be a record so. Me you are not me and Sebi and how the man come in or me and son. Honorable Mark Exibeboa, no chairman of finance committee.
Yes.
I'm glad you got that time. It's true. You got that time.
Mm-hmm.
There's about Parliament that opens the time of Shonkoy. Honorable also do me the same thing.
Former Joso MP.
Yes. Honorable Abdallah Banda.
Ben Abdallah Banda.
Yes. Also, one of the Parliament. You two important committees of finance committee and constitution and legal. But not Abdallah constitution and legal. The two about prime minister about parliament throughout. It was said it's been Abdallah minister. It's been your minister. It's been your SBA minister. And I chief executive. If you have to lose the prime minister on your party, you want to get to be called Lusu. I can go make more than more. So become a more to have a tartan. I'm a show be a cheat. I'm a twist cake and I'll be just be a child be a child. I realize I'm from. And will be a hobby reacting. And you're so big. No, me, I feel going to go with on my own steam. I call Lusu. I don't know my age one.
Okay.
Yo. Will be a con election. No call. No, oh. We them call me Winnie Fair and Square. And I'm call Winnie a bit fair and square. Or not very tip one in the BD. Memum said a Tatan group for 2020. Very 20 now. Some elections. We the parents are not so maybe one. Or my them will be. I know you'll be to me and Fahon. It's no Mumia or Twabam.
Yo.
Get free now. You free home. Na party no government business na da ho no you more president no get the budget na bills for the body na enye ma no na yenko enim
na honorable na we dey wada ma otiawa se ekoba se mo pussy for early congress party no entie na se ne yete se presidency say early congress emwa no na so mo tie presidency dia mo MPs no be dey.
Oh, sir, I just what was said. Party no, and yet, said you, way man, one who's money, and your presidents run the party no. Yes, national executives, any regional executives, any constituency executives, any police station executives, any coordinators run the party no. What I say?
I say,
President Kasu, yeah, like I said, oh my, said presidency, we also call meeting, and your president chair meeting. Honorable meeting a chair meeting. What I say?
That's I say.
You understand the president back class. You know who said? If you are saying a panel. But I say, President Cash one plan. I has to be the presidency. Wait, the president or your baby of the party. What do I say?
But what I say?
You know, a party, I say. Because the president or MPP president. Though I cannot put you about the MPP take it to the whole president. It will be a president can we look to carry there be a agent to say to today in a abacosem. The member party. That's it. If you are sometimes so and a way so of Libya gas on a agent to what. And the abacosema a warrior party and in the class ever say the first one will show a boy. Because president will be out to the swabber. In no mistake a while you Canadian. Yes, the president may have a preference or may have preferences. No doubt. But on my cotton swabber, no parliamentary candidates no. And the presidential force. On the cotton swabber. It's almost almost you get to the Maya and I am to a fan fine. Almost I say no Musiana, you tell your walker. What do I say?
Not I say.
Mr. Moyana Momo for president's name because president's Oman Ghana, only on my MPP.
Okay. Matthias, you. Honorable no pede yeda se no adaje wanyade ba nyame nhyira opa. You. Observe Honorable Eugene Boache Entry mraswe dwene de ma de sia omo subin abato empesua so ena yete ne nka no. Ne nyina MPPLA Congress or say any presidency and a running party no general secretary or national chairman or constituency executives name polling station for ho it's in presidency in a running party no so no man say presidency say party no or more running into yinti or masem na early congress no ebeboa mabeya for atna say Michael Esel Mills inchia so constituency MPP secretary and Francis Ado Chinieba an executive member NDC kwada so abaton pesua so womo atenase so ache enoktete Facebook enoktete kwame GH asamankese da se Joseph Uswechan Felix Opon Anapon Kofi Usu was say wonderful program and Charles Amwa or say okay members of parliament no watch say wodi omo ho yaw nana Usu afo denchem na denchem ono so ehwe Emmanuel Labi or say no ken no vote the rest nyina fake ono so na de no mama bigafo akwaba yeni nkomo ewufia ha sei Francis Machen
yenua
yiri simpom ye
yesu adom me ho ye pa
ye de rade ase erade adom Esel Machen
chief mejosobru
yiri simpom ye
apomboko
ye de rade ase odi secretary wo constituency sikafo wo so pa okuruma sei odi secretary wo constituency a kumase sikafo nyina ho no mote nyame adom onin esgafo so nantia onye ska
ska no kre bi bon
ebi bon mo
Libya we there I think say afimu afina me na shia
oh really
okay
we are not the amame
okay
na obi azika bon ho de
omumie no hwana de ne yonko de ma no na wan na ye
na so no government
akai nti on de was so the bantentem na ye kwa
oza
on the wa bam
ba say on na wa bam
some media no media no me ye no buam nti ji so oba fi
okay Matthias na Francis enkomo ye die wote ha ne die wom say nya ofi asem wo say nka Mr. Free is hode but NPP baby ya ba begina ni some mo de no bato no me boa bato no me say NPP first meeting men ka say first meeting kro mo di kan ko ba ko bi na ye yi yenka say ntokwa Francis NPP baby ya gina ni unuanom MPP
Libya say unua bodua say shia na baya dia sensuous studio because ebia na enche na wonso abesom sanso na mpanifo nso eka se aboa no ukoto se aboa butu nua so a ye ka se sorry free no so because ka se wonso free no so bia no free no ba so tin sorry free enso yemienu nyina ye amanyoku a ye boga na ho bra nti asema beto wo mo no eya na enso ntimi to yenso say okay a NDC na say mu ye de beba ya say wantwi no ewo mu a nyame adom yeguso ehwe say ye be solve ye chairman the general the chairman general ye de was so nyina together with council of elders na and then so ye nuanom MPP for na edro mo so masem abeto apaso ade a mesre ene say yema adwobrɛw emra na media futu so ama presidency no say it looks as if say presidency no have a keen interest in Congress remember na the presidency more or less is trying to impose into ono person or the ono ni momra and a govern party no it is otie honorable chair say it is not the presidency that decides for the party.
Yeah.
Say yanhwe hu ye a bema a great division. And that is what I foresee about MPP no because a particular faction feels say presidency no because the presidency no interest and yes the presidency has interest because vice president whether we like it or yes no she say no we na nim say wo ba the entire presidential machinery no support it and they are trying to use every ways and means almost ebe omu to me ebe shepherd and also to go by what they want. The other faction also feel say the urban M1 party no. Because it is a fact say we are elections in Tamwa unya the room to heal all wounds.
Yeah.
U delay ube no na aka some few months to general elections. Yeah. Time will bang na ube keka factions ni nyina boom to forge ahead into the elections are ever. Okay. And this is the Nyankopon ayadom. Ye constituency, ye region, ye national. And then you set your dates ni bibia, your timelines be a day parliamentary and presidential primaries ni na you set it at home. If up till now the MPP into me and have a clear way forward towards more elections now it's a cause for worry because 2023 no we share calendar no now we share activities are even parliament activities are both political divide able go through the hardships and other things. I was say government creating focusing on FSA we don't have time
and then UJ say we share calendar na timer MPs no even government will space August September no jadi nti no momfa nyesa de no emfiri ho no because omutisimo a adaje bia ni bia
sa ho no so kra no yes e ho no omuye free kakra but you don't even know what will happen.
Yes
and he used the term force majeure because last 3 years Yohana COVID ebe boom sise enim de eba nti your plans now no make sure why you ntem my main worry here and answer me some ade ha me pa how the presidency wants to force some and also obey or kata party structure so I'm expecting that more national chairman will stand firm na what take decision ebeboa enyesa within the months ahead of us easy man the MPP we hear a lot of issues and because SIO elections are we know the lines or the battle lines have been drawn it's been drawn very well so one show who here affect it would affect government as a whole it will affect government as a whole because vice president now or head of economic management team neso wo kwa
contesting
ono so contesting bi enti yenko ye wantwi wa twitwitwitwi no his responsibilities are and one also as vice president to the nation no he may lose focus and then that would have a rippling effect on the entire economy as we are even seeing now as you say Ghana economy is we are only hoping say omo betimi calming nerves down no mo hwe na say the MPs na they akoto omanim no you know the MPs play a critical role in the governance of the country and even in the party and nothing as so share ya emra national executive of the party Edim Mrebi and then she be by realize that our MPs in parliament omo akeka ho asema ma omo de petition ako council
I'm told it's a Monday a caucus no minority caucus ni nyina ne national executive sebeshia
na assembly wo bia o maka free ho but whether you like it or yes the point is that there's been changes right from branches in the eba so everybody should accept that change that comes my fan is seminar me Mugabe and mina matana hwa and I know that I mean at certain points in time we need to train people and also be to me ba na yeboa no na oye so my advice to my brother Isel and the party and they say omo majo brombra na omo advice say presidents need to stay away from the entire elections to allow the party hierarchy Isel secretary in Shaiso constituency and the constituency plays a very key role in MPP and stakeholder meeting anti I doubt say ebe the set or na will be free Flagstaff house whether the person is a worker there or something no aban Shaiso constituency I catch and say me na me free Flagstaff house and me presidency on share 1 2 3 no me mpene
Nidide Francis Ado, executive member of NDC Wakwada so abaton pesua so campaign team of NDC with the Muntinti my nana ya opon or say ye shamo ATM live or London abonten so show no ye ni eje ho pa ye da say Felix opon Bampana say or say corruption in the country no too much. Then so you hear a disciplined leader like Honorable Kennedy Japan. Joseph Echao Boabin shop or say Boabin stop your den noise you yate also wajune no Enoch Tete Kwame GH or say NPP flag bearership race MPP ningina efa mampenina na rudankwa kufuado ne governmental officer womo afeli o minor ehon and Emmanuel Labi or see no Ken no vote and nana ya sapon or say we are for Ken no more from UK yeda say and nana ya sapon krona or say NDC enye also mo adore John Dramani Mahama womo premise no Capito go so mentia patriotic voices or say in fact Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the best choice at the ma Ghana for and also when any mistake and some for ankofa NDC amabiu no makenkan nyina eso baby e gina o party NPP koye neck meeting entimen si gina he da cropoti amobeto aba flag bearer baby a bedru ni ene nkoma ye dina no pay
yo chief mame na wase na memfa kwenso na menchia ati for majebra omo etie o Sompa 93.1 FM ene wo mo so mo share o akasafoni so o Sompa TV mame fa kwenso so na menchia NPP General Secretary Yura Justin from Pokudia JFK. Okay. The manachi bru anope. Minia no crese party no say ye ko ne akwa kosi sadwene na wo hwe infimi no edi animu yi anamo party no ebitu say edru say ye kwa akoto aba bi e wo Ghana ha ebitumi ayi pani a obidi party no mu kan na wotu ye franka no na yesu a ambato mpesua so amantamu members of parliament almost bidi anim no kwan be so na ye befa so a ye beye ye no krese na no ya wada ena mpanifo ehye saa dwumadi no ase na se obi ka se wo mo entumi ensi gina ya eye na kakra a series of meetings ye de akwa akosi se yinyina betumi akwa akoduru ba bi a adwentoatoa no de wode ne de ba ya ebi a ha kakra wo si twa ne kakra wode na wode ba ye ni hwemu a wode yi ha ne de hye we de so a nti ye betoatoa ne saa no na akwa akoduru abofua na aduru se de yesi epe no right wo ho se ye kan bibi se MPC kan bi National Executive say can be presidency can be ya tesem na me di mi hu ne sa every says wo ko party no said yesi ahyehye na oba national council the executives are part or mampani the vice president we
members
MPC no e will reps are almost ye members party structure no party nara enso e will members inti say kase the national council na ekwa akohia yen kan say we de na dey about we eye sam panimfo na omo na represent party no at the apex level omo na ekotranse akọ na omo akọ akotoatoa inti enye ne say we free baby na we free baby na we free baby sara na de ba national executive committee a eye sa na sa toatoa no etie eno na ma no bofua se ba ku free mu a enye national executive committee bio se ba ku free mu a enye national council bio se ba steering committee a se MPC no ha party mpanimfo ene government mpanimfo anka amomu a yentumi mfre no steering committee bio me patcho center say
Matuase.
Inti enye say wait baby to headquarters no Canada and wait to Jubilee House no Canada and we say so at Parliament no Canada. Now so ya na we no e man komo no yede. Then so obi e ba de wo hunu baby a wote no de wo hunu no and na wo de beto apaso na ya bobo ho. Inti de wo hunu no and de we hunu no and de we hunu no. Because when say ye di ibonsua esi ho na ye di nsuo egum na anyama obi betumi aba beka say nsuo yi ibonsua no kora nsuo na egum no enyama obi nso betumi aka say bonsua no nsuo na egum no eyefa ana ameboa sa netie ntino menya hwo say bia wo mkotra ase no say antiase anya adwuma da bi eya na mo ya sha ase ayetu fi say wo abosumi aduonu nan ena party mra no we share in article 13:14 na e kire se ye wa ban mu a hwe be ebeka bosumi du ba ko am ya kwa akoto abakese no e na ye mfa yenyi ye flanka tuni ana meboa se ame no e ka se ye de sa bosumi du mienu wei e san ba beka abosumi du ba ko na afi ebeba mu no ebeka na ye wa abosumi aduonu miensa
ntinya se eye bosumi du ba ko de a osenka mo be ni January
2024
ose moto no January 2024 because constitution yi was when the party is in government the election of a presidential candidate shall be held not later than 11 months before the national general election.
It is a party no atumi ehu say enka ye wo abosome du ba ko bi da ba bi na emom sa abosome du mienu yetimu yemfa ntu anamon a ye say o say bo party no abaso rather than say obi be ka say party no obi mpese obi ti
baby say na nyina nse situation na ye wo mu ne no
enuti na the party no
constitution ho
enuti na party na ye pragmatic say ya ntwen ama bosumi du ba ko na anka ama na mom ya san kwa akofa adumienu bia ba beka du ba ko no ama na ya aduonu miensa emu ne edi nkomo no so anwo ye edi nkomo no abosumi du miensa
wakofa 12 months bia ba beka
I tell you and the party is proactive and is want to any kwan say mrade nipa na yeye so what you assume mranti ne ebo nipa ti yeye mra it is ye ne say emedu ba ko na say ya sha say wa hade a etrese epesi etu anamo bi enti for all you know kranke ko ye toato yi na say bia bosumi eda anim na bosumi ne eda anim say yetumi si gina ya na kire say party no kura no ehun say it want to do some things differently not necessarily what is enshrined in our constitution omo church adwene nyina na early congress and this and that mo me hwe hu ye ye to aba edema omampani say ye de Ghana sikasem nyinara ya bambo ya dada koni abadie e de ahye nipa kro no nsa say onsoso yemu onye kandini se usuomo awiamo osumo ohanmo oni yanim enuti se eduru se ye bibi se na se eno so betumi e de kakra atwen sa attention no everyone ma de all kasa no yenya aso emfama no na ebia se ebia ba bia wono so ne concern wono se wo so wa adwen fufuro bi e kire a ebetumi ama na hotoso ana ahodaso a right wo so what to me akansa what to me atere no eye sara enati duru time bia obi de wono hunu nti no ana de se de wo hunu bi da enti ekokoye sa ebia no wono so dwene sesei eye president dwene Ghana maya NDC ni CPP ni PNC nyina wom and wo san dwene MPP nko aho enti wono no he is through a very chaotic situation Ghana man aso de dan so and a party so aso de dan so party de omo de ba Ghana man so de omo de ba
enti omo ka say presidency through say there will be two leaders our party no mu because muko yi flag bearer antemu a president no wo ho your flag bearer edom no nyina be free president echi akwa kodi da che hene na chi and e bia ma presidency fi say omonto omo bo no
omo ko fast asem no e ba e ba bi omo konya say nyina so no say ye koyi a flag bearer even a day before the elections there's going to be a parallel anameboa
da che hene ndi da se bo
and being an experienced politician like the president I don't think say owo timupo bi say obi no ba be compete as leader.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay.
And of course, we share even 2007 krana. See a presidential candidate. Now we had a certain president.
Okay.
Even 12 months, I think we did it in Legon, 22nd December 2007. 12 clear months before the general elections. And as a beneficiary, I don't think say the president would probably say would be any about the rock shoulders. No. And two, say no baby ya na mene ebi ya adwene early congress and we no also say whether it's a good omen or what no say you a balanced parliament and this say MPP kra no you ho kwan say yetumi echusu 137 parliamentary candidates.
Yes.
For the orphan constituencies, and can't yen certain MPs cry, and I'm a boy. You will home quite say you to me a yenesa.
Yes.
And no cry they say between me and the and you need MP or two. And the Akasi will be quack or will be that one. You bet to me a aton chain. Sa 137 no. You bet to me a yaton chain. No sem pre cry near Baya. No bet to me a yisadia no a free ho. Now we share. Said the party no constitution is say it drew say kwa kotoaba na Franka Tufo no eburu numu a e wo say a special congress na ye twaso e ma ne beka enum no minim say eno kralampo ene ma national executives no etu sa na mo no say if that is the case the yetiti no mframam e wo say obiara emfa form there but the ohwe the yetiti no mframam na du ani bu a ye nya nipa be nwotwe ana enkono so definitely that special congress must come on enuti no wo hwe no de a na wo say ye activate sa flag bearership race no ye activate no ntem na yetumi ayi bi amana akanum no
special congress
yetumi enso edomo akọ anim but by and large me de mebo obi biara wo koye a ono so enya kwan e de ono so na dwenkyere and minim say ensa no ba be kono kra no under the constituencies under the minim say constituency executives no regional executives ni bi almost they had the opportunity to also hold some sort of some meetings bi a omon crofo omokoye no okay ye de ye to hwa ye pese ye ni say obeti secretaries adwene chrom say due to 1 2 and 3 and was say ye ni say chairman for say pese ye ni say ni nyina no who say a bottom up approach
okay
right
yeah.
Enuti minim say definitely no MPP say ye next a year be kwa ye betumi asigina because say baby e gina no ya kwa say NDC edi mfie dunu MPP edi mfie NDC edi mfie dusia say wo de ba kono du ba kono ka ho de ye duoso eduonu so ni nyina ka ho o ma ya de but ye say ye tutu aba no say ba ko de tuo no ma de je ha ye tutu aba no ma di dusia ena ye so afi ni ye betwa ye twa dunai ibitwa dunsia in the 2024 elections no a novel election
okay
anti want to meet tintina twan want to meet trans say de wo ye ne da biara no
wo ye ne
sa na wo pese wo ye no anti see a party na dwene kire say when we are in opposition we have to elect our flag bearer 24 months before the general elections we must think as I said we are in opposition
okay
na yenye ya de say ye pay no entem senye 24 no kra na etumi nya no even for 15 months before the elections
Mate era say Michael Esel Mill say ye chocho for penny the man MPP won share so ma men call Francis Honomo biu say about the national rental assistance scheme aba baby ejina no na no na vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebia no na manfo busa say ye no me ya yete kejetia yete aguglosi ene ade ye betima assess sa program we bia na akwa jiska e de akwa han dan nti mu no ene say na ye gold for oil e bi no mo kire say o sa ban kra no e de sika ene koje oil ne ba enye goldu omo de gold no duru ho no ene omo koton mo obi na nipa no kese akwa ye eyi ensem bebrebe ene ho nkomo ene ye Francis Mamintiu
Mame fanchi aso nkoma kwada so mpesiafo
okay
particularly a incoming parliamentary candidate
for
Kwadaso constituency.
Okay.
Yura Eric Asibe.
Okay.
Yashase. Na yehwe papa we ne nyoma wode ebaye for the past 4 years. How he was able to unite the constituency.
Eric Asibe.
Okay. Ni adwuma wabo. Na
agenda for
time no asaso na papa isi oba beboa constituency. Na obi free akire ba se ono so pese oba na de. Ihu ne se se nipa no se beboa won tena nchen.
De wabre no odi ho.
De wabre no odi.
Okay.
Se wo hwe last 4 years. Braga na fo abre. COVID ba ye ni ade na papa ye parliamentary candidate. Edi party nani when we were in opposition. Na fear nyoma to year me abana obi free chance me na me ba beje na dey say e ba say mo. Eti me sire kwada so fo mo hwe me ye delegate o mo hwe me.
Okay.
Senya me adom a emre ne so a ma ye remfi honorable Eric Asibe. Papa yi wabo adwuma. Ano pay me chia no sonko.
Okay.
Chia ne team ni nyina na me chia ye chairman na oda constituency no ano any executives ni nyina.
Okay.
Before we menchia me Kwame Nkrumah for Katanga for 60th anniversary na mu na yeguswa ye die.
Okay.
Enti me den chia sonko e ma Katanga ni
fellow for no.
Wa wo da ho papa oku school papa na. E na ye Katanga ni. Eno na university we are sitting na agi atu se eye
enkoho network nkomo so. Enkoho network nkomo so.
Me tie me ni opinion so. I think say in some other mini opinion was shut up deliberately, and I must always applaud him. The communication skills now, or you're very diabolic. In as no one said and can't assembly straight in for Mahaman what that one is who say assembly
Sana who is it?
Was a the brofo Becky can't some nan one can you couldn't can say it. Oh,
say couldn't to the so me who near one me mia.
The way to see is a year partner. As some Nagan that one day. One boss or the fan chain or Baba Swanny at the other. But you couldn't be a say, Uma me would not so what that. A woman will see on the Abaco demand. Okay. Yes, coming to the issue of rentals, rental scheme, the vice president and some okay can you. My main first acquisition, I mean, casting we see and to just say because of my background in construction and civil, I mean, casting we say there is nothing like affordable housing.
There's nothing like that.
Affordable housing.
I didn't hear.
Because it be affordable housing.
It means affordable house. Ghana.
The men need the messia over the period. Chiremi said there's nothing like affordable.
It means for 200,000. 200,000 say
200,000 2 billion.
2 billion. 2 billion. And sit down say.
Usi dine ben a wusi.
Oh, we be a Chimben Hall.
But it's 2 billion affordable.
Only a spread it to say be a spread the amount of Francis. It be for 5 years. Set you are not.
Sa 2 billion ya working. Say yemfa obia we suku aya national service na ya fund adwuma. The person's average salary probably 1,500.
You may make an rent to say dan be o dia wato. But otete kakra kakra.
Enti 1,500 we. And the ACK would generate bosumi bi
50 million.
50 million.
1,500.
Yes, spread it. Sa wo 20,000
200,000.
Yes, spend 200. Yanya mask akra spend 200,000 no. Right? Over 5 years, sir.
5 years, sir.
It means say year be a utu 40,000.
Yeah, be utu say 40,000.
That's 400 million.
400 million
every year. So 40,000 we
12 months.
For 12 months. 12 months no. Or the multiply 1,500 yeah. 18,000 in the ACK union every year. How do you pay the 40,000 per year for 5 years? See, I spread the amount. And like I say, so 1,500 okay mortgage. And mortgage, a friend is saying, we know that whole policy no. yen te sa 1,500 we nyina every month.
Yes.
Inti yebetimi aka say ye beti 30% of usika we say.
No correct.
Inti sa woje 1,500 Ghana cedis. Na ye te 30% of sa 1,500 year. 30% of 1,500 year. Na say unya say 900 cedis, right? And a yesika ubinya yet 30%, so that'll be about 700 cedis from it. Now become 900 cedis.
Yeah, but 600
600, sorry.
Yeah, 600.
What is 600 cedis? A free 1,500 cedis is what I can't say.
9 million Uber spending on month.
1 month. In this economy, 9 million we umame ebejibi. We invested graduates 1 year national service and now you say Ghana Hano, so we university is a very few family that can afford a master's degree for you to continue into university the chance why you mature to say no ko page man na why into expect say unuanum di wachi a obesha say aye responsible into obehwe unuan keto aka ma me yare o de kakra besende no wan kasankasa wo ho bema wesi so a se bi make won so wanya akodon kwa bi se ba bia woni no so twempena kakra obetua obeto credit obedidi enne Ghana ha ye we the cost of even eating the sa aduane sem no kra no eno kwa ye one headache enti Libya me busa say wo betimi I live on 900 Ghana cedis in a month na as a youth. Is it possible for you to live on 900 Ghana cedis a month? And when I can say Ghana high we there is nothing like affordable housing.
Okay.
Because sa calculations can create we see 2 billion. That's 200,000 Ghana.
Yeah, 200,000
Ghana cedis. Yeah, sure we say yeah they spread them on 5 years in poa. Afi be yet 12 months no utu 400 million. That is 40,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Me use to old cedi be ya e be for so a dino say a 2-bedroom apartment and I ye mau at 200,000 Ghana cedis. So 2-bedroom year biano utu 400 million. How many Ghanaians can afford 40,000 Ghana cedis a year? Because your count salary boom in a year crown as 1,500. It amounts to 18,000 Ghana cedis, 180 million. So 180 million we excluding the baba say you better tell and kai so wo year adwuma na say 1,500 in you 1,500 we you better osnet you are working in the public sector you better osnet you better into
private sector you know osnet
private sector you better osnet into you take home no obehwe no now you are getting about 1,300 and something into 1,300 you say timu mortgage you see timu 30% you just 600 cedis ni free so one hwe hu here at the end of the month usika ebe kura wan kasa no will be somewhere 700 600 Ghana cedis. So how can a youth afford what the so-called affordable housing? And sadly we are linger for a very long time in relation to housing. In Ghana have a housing deficit there. Bubruja.
Yeah, no correct.
A lot of people can't afford housing because any kind of okwaje dan sisi ya you say a dan na okwaje no pay an advance of 2 years. Ntina me busa me ho say sa 2 years say afin we wie university na wo pay adwuma ene wanya adwuma na adwuma no won kran ene adwuma na won kran no you say ye be ma wo de ye fa say 2,000 Ghana cedis every month.
Yeah.
Into the amount 2,000 Ghana cedis every month. Oko hindan. If you are say or the 2 years advance. Month biano utia let me be a bit magnanimous. 150 Ghana cedis every month. Into 150 Ghana cedis every month no. Multiply by 24 months. That is 3,600 if I get it right. For 2 years. And only sika was up front. I think when you have to go and look for sika we say to sort that one out. How many people in the team fulfill and are satisfied sa adi we say? I'm picking the issues from somewhere, and I'll conclude it based on our assumptions we are here. And I believe say we not a tier for the realities on the ground. Because Libya and Nedayasem one of the most serious issues linger on the youth and every person who lives. So what's you Daya? But we see Daya rent. Oh yeah. And majority of more enya issues with rentals youth na working class almost share juma se enche no and you can say if you pick it out of 100% ubetime enya close to a 73 or 75% of the people are renting Fira no now in a crack I'm aware it is 3 years which make us 3 years advance and it will make us 2 years
2 years
and how will the youth be able to assess these rents? And then apart from rents, electricity bill. So now, Ghana, Mampenia Bedi said they are developing a scheme to resolve these issues.
National Rental Assistance Scheme.
MPP Manifesto 2020. It was part of their manifesto.
Yeah.
And then they waited 3 years after winning the power in 2020 to now pronounce that particular manifesto. Say, I feel manifesto. As nice as it may sound, as very nice as it may sound, yes, say, wo kwa dina, it was say utuya 100 Ghana cedis. Oh, for you to apply to the scheme, right? There's 100 Ghana cedis. Libya. But there's 100 cities in the chain. Number issues with we are made delay with the 100 cities because 100 cities now it exposes a lot of thievery, which would touch on. But let's look at Ghana, your population and the amount of money. You have to say a seed money of a 30 million Ghana cedis. Vice President, I think the housing minister, the buyer. Initially, we heard about 100 million. And then there was a second one which was a 30 million, right? Now this 30 million cedis, Oshe Ghana has your population. We are about 30.6 million Ghana cedis based on 30 million population based on your population census I conducted. Out of that 30 million, we know our youth. We are around 18 million thereabout. As our youth, we say from the age bracket of, if I put it, maybe 18 years. To say we are 40. Let's pick that age bracket within that 18 million. So 18 million we government let's say or they exceed money of 30 million and akotofutu say you can go and assess. Say who divide ye 18 million we assuming say obia na babunu bia so or kwa apply for that particular loan no to sort rental issues for the time being. Assuming it's a scheme, let's say sort there for just some few months and then Mausikama they are rent it before we start here Sika. Who divide the population of 18 million we over the 30 million? That is about 0.018 B and awunya of sa nipa we say. It tells you that first and foremost the scheme, the impact of the scheme on your population, will not be up to even 1% of the people we are targeting. Up to 1%.
Maybe a government, target number for the start,
so target,
now going forward,
you are dealing with I think 5 regions.
Yes,
5 regions, right? So Ashanti region, Greater Accra.
Yeah, Greater Accra, Ashanti region, Western, Eastern, North, Bono East.
Good. Libya, se offer Greater Accra. Your last population census I conducted, Greater Accra population has increased more than what we had in the recent years. And the numbers we are looking at, even in Greater Accra alone, said if everybody within that enclave say, I say 30 million Ghana cedis we are. One show we are. Numbers no cry. The amount of money will not be even enough to even come to the other regions. So right from the word go no, sa scheme we say Yaba now say so nicely to the people no, it is not as it is. As it is. Now, yes, you could 100 Ghana cedis and Sana what will pay on to the scheme.
Now the one see no.
No, but you say
now we see from
100 Ghana cedi we no. Yes, a company be na yeden.
Rent Masters Ghana Limited.
Yate. Rent Masters Ghana Limited.
3.1.
What let me deal with procurement issues. Quite many soon fast why you sa company we see. Sa company we never be jim 100 Ghana cedis. Obia. Na sa company we kra no. Ejuma be na oye.
Okay.
Apart from that, how were we able to procure the company? And what is the investment of the company inside 30 million Ghana cedi seed money we had? Because a company I set it up, able use a lot of, and it is more technological, right? It's definitely no company no invest a lot of stuff into it. So the whole thing is that maybe a baboon, I feel many ajuma. Me say me person me hoping onto this scheme. I was him go to 1 million, and sana me say aka. Semi to 1 million as with other government policies and kofu bebre etuetu ya ne omo akwahihye mu a se beba ne se beba chena se beba na de kyen no we don't know no.
Okay.
Me say ko use 100 Ghana cedi akwa ko shefutu bi mu
Mate Francis
ko shefutu no mu so wi a se ebeba mama nsakra aka no e boache bi din
Mate
so Libya Borga the me person me kire nyina na say unfortunately time no ntino me person me kire nyina na say vice president ensem obeka yi no it is just one of those political talks are or release it at a time when he is entering a contest.
Mate.
But the truth of the matter is that scheme no a fiasco.
Mate. Mame ko Michael is a mail so. Mate. Mame ko is a mail so. Mate.
One of the same campaign promises have been given over and over.
Esel, maybe about bedroom National Rental Assistance Scheme.
Onim mame mo NPP aban abaso so se emre biara se yehu se bibi ato senior na se bibi ha o mafo na yetumi kotra se dwene e de sebi ho anusie eba enya me nwanwa de chinieba ya de agana fo nim NDC for se sana omote obeka o mampani okufo na penso odi national health insurance eba ye ka se wo se wutua se wo kwa akoye card na
premium
wutua sika kakra bi digi card wo ko renew ni we say no asama ote ha o kan sisie ebi na o mo kan se o mampani dada akofo afa kwan bi so eba bagigi Ghana fo sika akwa akodi so obeka ya no na ewie ya omo twetwe ne sere ne abasa ya Ghana fo nya gidie e wa aban nim a omo de omo ho ko share national health insurance mu a e bae no omo nya hwe nka omo be ka kire Ghana fo so omo de one time premium e ba no na ewie ye omo ko fa si dun katia ene ama be nyiwa do betra krom ha mo be twa ntro e kire ye omo wi a omo ko no omo de ade bi a na ye frɛ no capitation se wote Ashanti regional wawie se o yare na se o konkran ya intumi hwe ho ti so ba wote bosontwe ana wote jaache na se yemfa ne se Pramso hospital na akwa aputuo ja korara mpo untumi ma aputuo ja na kampo aba tano atozu ababe sa ho yare entidie omo ye ne nei enye ade foforo and Ghana ni bia wo tie mi ana o hwe mi bia no mesre ne se ma omade we say no ubeka ya national ambulance asema ka se kwa akofa omo kan ho sem bibibi even drones asebi sesi ai etumi efa nuro nkurase ekohwe omo mo nkuro ketua mu no omo we when organizer be ka kire se de ba bitwitwa ma ho photo eso mo hihye adwae enti saa se NPP aban kofa bibi di aba na NDC fo metum futuro ngu nkurofo ani no de ya de dada wokai free education 419 free education 419 sankrofo we amu edru baby omo se omo ne kofa free education bae won't say national health insurance omo so omo no e de bae won't be that.
And I'm farmer soon there.
Sir, I'm some at the buy. No, free SHS, what is some at the buy? And you know, Sir National Rental Assistance Scheme, right? One of the best things to have happened to every Ghanaian. Now, me share say Ghana ni biara emfa ne ho enwura munim. It has the potential. It has the potential. It has the potential to unlock even the housing system. Area ye was huge deficit. We say it has the potential to unlock those potential. You bet me I go full scale housing provision, and this is how the system will work. Also, all this one. We to me enya scheme bia it to me de sebi adan ha omo pa dan no akame under one umbrella. And this will be a crack investment the housing side hormona minua oni data bia will be to me ejina so wo ha you won crofo we able to me apuli all these data together for a businessman on person take advantage no okay mami ka sam chiro
is all person call into real estate
and serve as a primary data I will be accessing now so what
this number of youth in
especially the distribution by region, district by district. What shall the kitty say ya? Would you see Uber and a kitty no chamako? Bill Obianka said there is affordable thing in this world, but affordability is relative.
Okay.
Me patch what I say. And Duka said there's nothing like affordable housing. Affordable none
yeah.
Affordable none say one city would go high dine. Uber to me the one is the high dine. Affordable no relative to we shall be a nipa bebrebe no wo any musika o mu triana san crofo no would be ba o betumi anya so mfa so ana eno na man affordable because omo sa sika no and the availability no so be accessible so it becomes affordable to them. Now what can say affordable dan yensi ni taku eni yensi ni kapre and moreover analysis how the 5 years yes akra or kwa mortgage no mortgage no throughout our working lifetime it did that 5 years now it is flawed because I'm sure you say at the age of 20 you know police form we are obi to me share 21 22 wo the infant 25 send pakro no say nyame boa no nka sa mortgage wo tunko koremu a na wo 2 million now the basis of 200,000 now the basis of analysis now the person have about 35 years to offset it.
Okay.
Because by the time I call
retirement at 60 years
to 60 years, you have 35 years to offset it, and that is what is done elsewhere. We do it over years. Okay. So if the misunderstanding is there, please, because I didn't hear no NDC ene koyi. We should NAPCO. Almost saw a kufu adumu eteteresrani abasa eyem kura ya free NDC stock buy
say
womo NDC from mrante na womo di NDC mu akotre na womo nya akwan kokko wura napko no because ya anya napko say ye de babeswa ye de MPP for nkwa say de anya national health insurance ne free SHS for MPP for nkwa this housing say unua say ya ma wadwuma na watu free o maame ho me kokotra nsuta kakra right from national service
okay
na bra me bra ya ansa na minye skade han dan
nsuta
nsuta na that time kro nsuta dan enka ne ya enka betumi han be nsi abom so onza nenso na kire se wo se ye ba na abrewa wo sane na boso na odiko nenso de aban na kan se no den amamo mrante ne mabawa enti wo de hia ne se wo betumi am yehu se ampa wo ye adwuma bosum yetua oka na wo de wo pay slip abosom miensa de aba se eba sika na edan na wo kwa akohan no mayehu ne no ko ne no fiewura akwakodi nkita ho se yekokohwe na sentiase ye adwuma na wo ne wo fiewura ntam no se wo fiewura se mfie mienu ene oje nim se Ghana ebi ji afe ene mfie mienu se duru sa wo de ye tua ma na nka wusika na nka wasa okɔboaboa na owunyanya bi no bosome saso a yebetua ka na ameni aboa se bosome yetua wo ka na yate bosome sika na firi wusika ni eno ene yebesan de aboaboa no to say revolving fund enti more or less a sika no ekɔ no na bosome so a esan ba because abedi ho bosome so abetua bi kwame betua bi akua betua bi ya betua bi enti sika na ekɔ no bosome nso kra no na emu sabi emu be wahama bupedu asan aba beto ne ye de ye nkitahudie nkakra saade wo ne se tumi structure ne ye a ubehu ara se wiase nkrofo bebre wo sika se bi eda dem a uko Japan se wudu sika kokoto banka interest ne 0.01%. 0.0%. And this one him say, hey, there's a mortgage scheme here across Ghana. The return of investment is so huge. But once Crawford will start moving resources to help us to do this. And this is a good start. It's a good call. My mom on my penny abadi today abaso say, "Sabi me ade ba ko me pe papa no say minua." Emra asamasia ebian Crawford akojina simple so etiatia mu ye e dey fine. Na papa no ehye dem na odwene na ode hu solutions eba. And one of these things obusa ho say so senka sadie we senka emra yete Ghana e free Kwame Yaro peso Kwame Yakubu peso no Ghana bae no ena nke yetumi yes ade we ya enka broni beka se ba bia loose ends wo no enka yetumi etuatua no yemiem aginagiram ama se kura no senka wo pe Ghana ye rental scheme can become one of the best in the world said the national health insurance ababe one of the best in the world now wouldn't me say wouldn't me say apart from Ghana and Kenya you need or might be a crowd we are there. I'm say be ye nya be me enso ba be ka ho a. Usika. Wona ma etumi gu phone so.
Say mobile money.
Mobile money no. Good. When you go to Europe, they have their monies in their bank accounts. And you can use technology app on your phone to make transfer. But Mimi Sika, any bank accounts edam phone so. So what I say? That is the difference. And it all because of the innovations the way in among Penyaba DJ. Okay. Intermediate. National Rental Assistance Scheme. Mate. Me catch the Ghana near Babunu Biara. Se dan high. I na sudi. Se omompae no omompae so mobima omon Penyaba DJ Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Mate. Ebeso abapa ami nyina yetumi anya abapa. Mate next week ebeto aso. Senior bakra ka ho. Why? Me hu be Afriba. O be Afriba. Say. We shall say say omompae ma Penyaba DJ nyina me hu be Afriba. Nti on say eno no had a bearing on nkomo edi kan di ne kane. Here. Omo flag bearership race no. Conclusion na ama vice president na nado na wa be and a vice president in a quality and na media kama na nado na president Libya Borga aso me ka say be the conclusion no e ma me hu say initially we are not original no biara mi bo biara e wo sem bo bi ma no se kina se wo ba be pe frank atu e wo Ghana ha na pese obegina NPP so a wa nyina de na nado no mampani aba de kire Mahmoud Bawumia ya wuni asam ka no kre because if madam say one district one factory madam say Michael Esel Mills chocho for edema NPP won share so and Francis Adoso executive member NDC wakwada so abuzia for that say na de ebre na tia mo mfa nche mpa yakopɔ yadoma next week de nene nkomo ne doso na nkomo ne doso pa na nkomo no doso ya babia samwa ne ne obende enti abu somwe na nkomo no ibidi why nkomo no ibidi ebedi